got my theory pass thing there as well.
Why have you fetched that for?
I looked at what you need to bring with you and it said you should, or no?
Didn't need it.
Alright.
But you all gives you. Where's the license?
It's in my wallet.
No, give us the license. I want to see that. How did you manage to get this cancellation then?
Don't know, I was at the gym and I just saw it pop up on my phone and I went and did it and then...
So it wasn't through an app?
Oh, it was through the app, yeah.
It was through the app?
Yeah, so it worked.
Right, which app was that?
I think it's called like Driving Tests Now or something like that.
Driving Tests Now, you get text mail last night and they've got a cancellation for the day. Get the next day cancellation. Right, get yourself ready then. You're brave, aren't you?
Maybe stupid, hopefully not.
Yeah.
I just thought I didn't want to wait till August and then it sunk in once it had booked going, oh no, that's tomorrow.
What's the date today?
14th of June.
So you should have texted straight away because I would have took that test, you know, that 14th. When it was in August, wasn't it?
17th of August.
Damn. Don't like these 232 ones.
What's wrong with them, mate? Is there just time?
Kids coming out about, you're going to have to watch for the school patrols.
Yeah.
You know what I'm on about? So be very careful with them. Right, just stick your license in the car with you.
Yep.
Right. Any questions?
No, I don't think so.
Go on when you're ready. It's your right one, isn't it? Which videos did you watch last night then?
Oh, I can't remember now. All the new ones basically that had come up, yeah. I watched about 4 of them.
Did you?
And then I watched all the videos on Facebook over, well, not all of them, all the ones
all the ones out.
Yeah.
It sounds like you put the hard work in.
And I went out for a drive up to Thinford at 8 o'clock last night.
Did you?
Yeah. So hopefully it pays off.
His mum's been giving him private practice and turned him into a really good driver, hasn't she?
Well, hopefully.
How many mock tests have you had?
About 3 or 4, I think.
How many have you passed?
I don't think I've passed one of them yet, to be honest. It's the nerves, I think.
He has his moments, but I think he's good enough to smash it, you think?
I hope so. Oh, well, all my friends, mum, dad, sister.
Did they?
Yeah.
Damn. How did they see it?
Well, they feel confident, more confident in me than I do in myself, I think. But, yeah. Mum keeps saying, just imagine you're in the car with me, not the examiner.
Nice examiners up here. Really.
I hope so.
Especially when they see you're a skillful driver.
I hope I can show them that.
So them videos help on Facebook?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. I've developed a training program for these learners, and when I teach them I get them to watch the videos first, and you use them, didn't you?
Yeah, and I rewatch them fairly regularly.
So he would just come in the car and I'd just ask him a few questions and he'd know exactly what he was going to do each and every lesson, didn't he?
Yeah, I mean...
And he'd watch the videos and we'd come up and practice it.
It worked especially well with the manoeuvres and stuff, and all the techniques.
It's a step-by-step guide on how to teach user learners. The quickest way to get a driver's license is a structured course. And we take the next road off to the left. Should get rid of here. No, you wouldn't do the emergency stop there, would you?
No.
Good. Now what would you do if she just sat there?
Then you just go.
Yeah, good. Well, I think I'll leave that in a video. My pupils. Take the next road to the right. Don't put it in the first word, you should put it in about now, yeah? Not the one Oh, there's a lot of tests on the deer. Whoa, pressure's on here.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. Right. So we're last in the queue, look. Damn. 5 tests on the deer. I wonder how many pass and how many fail.
Hopefully I'm in the pass category.
I hope we get in time.
Hopefully.
That's the main
Pull
beam.
we'll push it away from you.
To put the main beam
Yeah.
on, yeah. Don't you be flashing anybody the deer. You say, do you want your trainer to come with you? Say no.
I don't know if that'd be more pressure or not.
But you say, do you want him there at the end? Say yes.
Yeah.
And then I'll listen to what he tells you. It's the worst part of me when you're on a walk over to the car.
Mm-hmm.
Your door opens and I think, oh God, here we go. This is painful.
Hopefully not.
And then I just listen, I close my eyes and listen to the voice of the examiner.
Yeah.
And if it sounds happy, yes.
Hopefully happy.
If it sounds like not so good and sad, then it's a fail. Oh, they're pinching all the best spaces, look. Feeling the pressure?
Yep.
Yeah. Nerve-wracking stuff, isn't it?
Definitely. Struggled to sleep last night.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you dream about the driving test?
I don't think so.
Good. When people dream about and say they passed, they normally fail. But if they've dreamt that they failed the test, then I don't mind that one. So what's your predictions then, Jack?
I'll try and stay positive and say no serious faults.
How many minors?
I'm gonna say 5, maybe.
5. How many have you been getting on your mock tests?
I think the most I ever got was it 7 or something like that, and I think I've got sometimes I've got about 3.
Ooh, that sounds good.
So 5 in the middle maybe.
I normally go for 3, but I'm going to knock one off and go for 2 today. So pressure's on. We hope we'll get in time.
Hopefully. Got 4 minutes.
4 minutes to meet the examiner.
I wonder where they're going to take me today. So I wonder where they're going to take me.
I think you'll let it go to the way, spinning more way. Feels like a walk in the plank here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Please, I don't have to do it. Dear me, I'll be stressed to bits.
I'm just saying, as if I have to retake it, I'll probably be more stressed out the second time. So hopefully, first time's a charm. I did well on the last mock bar.
Did you?
Inford roundabout. We were coming away. I hadn't gone before, and I looked, and I was staring at the road, and I hadn't seen the lights change to red, and that caught me.
Oh right, yeah, you should be fine. I remember. Time is of the essence.
2 minutes.
And you've got reverse into a beer. I remember getting one wrong off one examiner because I was the last one in.
Yeah.
And when he went inside, he says, "Make sure you're on time next time." I said, "I couldn't get in because they were all reversing into the beers."
We were here in good time.
Go further forward.
Yeah.
Go right into the corner.
Take it out, mate. You've got to put it on there.
That's the first. Go on right in north, go further forward. That'll do.
Yep.
Got a full locket. That's it. use your right door to see how close you got that car.
I think there's space, yeah.
Is there? Good.
Yeah, just a bit.
Keep looking all around then.
I'm not sure I'm gonna get in straight like.
Go on, just start staying to the right now. Come on, just keep turning. Keep turning. That's it. Straight up quickly and see. And through the back window.
Right. I think that's
Right. It's time to wish Michael.
that's my middle name,
Jack. Oh, I got it. Jack, the very best of luck.
Thank you.
Hopefully, he should smash it, but we'll see. Go on, then go up them stairs. I'll just
Right.
go and meet the examiner. I'll just sort this out in the car. Okay?
Thank you.
Let's take the cameras out. Good luck.
Thank you.
See you later.
Hopefully I don't need it.
Right, we're back off test. Jack, tell them what you've done.
I've passed.
What were the how many falls?
3 minors.
What were the 4?
There was for a slight rollback on a hill start. I had to shunt the car forward on the reverse Bay Park.
Where did you do that at?
Just at the start there.
Oh, I didn't watch that.
And I've actually forgot what the third one was for.
Something about merging out the junction or something.
That was when I rolled back slightly.
Was that it?
It was, yeah. But less than I thought actually. I estimated 5, so I'm happy with 3.
Good, well done. What was the name of the driving examiner?
Jack.
You only passed because he was called Jack. He had the same name, wasn't it?
Yeah. It helped that he spoke to me as well, I think, so I get quite nervous when I'm
He's all right,
silent, so yeah.
He's been doing it a long time in. So you did not see anything about the phone going off?
No.
Somebody was ringing us there and I had to put the phone down and I rang somebody else by mistake and was blasting out there, wasn't it? Was it hard then?
No, surprisingly not, no. I didn't really feel too nervous once I got going. Like I say, when he was chatting to me, it sort of calmed me down a little bit, so.
What did he chat you about? Football?
Yep. Found out we're both Sunderland fans.
I was just about to say he's a Sunderland fan, him.
Turns out when I had my season ticket, I was only sat 2 rows behind him.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. The face is red.
Oh well, yeah. When I get a little bit nervous, I get warm.
It's like a greenhouse in there. Oh, well done. 3 minors. I should have stuck me with same old 3 minors. Let you chuff with that.
Absolutely, yeah. Can't wait when I get out. I'm gonna have to ring everybody and let them know.
Well done. What a relief. You were the last one back.
Yeah.
I think there was 2, 1, 2. I think only 2 passed.
Really?
Yeah, that's true. So you know when you went upstairs, was he waiting for you?
Yeah, he was. Yeah.
What did he see out and on?
Oh, he just he just opened the door and went, "Oh, hi Jack, how you doing?" And he was like, "I'm called Jack too," and I was like, the best people are called that, aren't they? So got off to a good start.
Alright, Jack, he's been a long time.
I think he said he asked how old I was, and he said he's been doing that since I was 1.
How old are you?
When I was 1 was when he started doing that job as an examiner.
Was he? So
Yeah.
how old are you?
22, so he's doing it 21 years.
I still remember when you first come to Sunderland, did Jack. I remember sitting on one of his tests right at the start of the test, right? And pupil comes up with dual carriageway, and there's the dual carriageway goes to 1.
Yeah.
There's an island in the middle. Somebody wants to join the carriages, so my pupil starts to move out to get past them, but doesn't accelerate past them, and there's an island refuge like that in the middle of the road. And I'm sitting back going, and he just sat there, cool as you like, didn't flinch. And in the end, my pupil swerved across the road, and Jack didn't even do anything. He just sat there.
I know there when I was around the country lanes, there was a bus that came really wide and was almost on our side of the road.
Yeah.
So I ended up moving a little bit over the left, and I wasn't sure if I'd clipped the curb. And I was grimacing a little bit, and he was like, "Oh, don't worry, no, it was just a pothole, you haven't hit the curb." And I was like, "Oh, thank God."
So
he didn't even flinch.
Was the roads busy?
Fairly, yeah, quite busy.
Mm.
But it wasn't too bad with it obviously being at 20 miles an hour because of the schools. You had to be more aware of the pedestrians, but in terms of actually driving.
So were the flashing, were there?
Yeah, yeah.
Was there much pedestrian activity?
A fair amount. I had to stop a couple of times for the lollipop people.
Did you?
Yeah.
Where at?
It was opposite. It was just before you go to Spennymoor.
Yeah.
Like into Spennymoor. It was actually opposite the pub. I can't remember what it's called, but I know it's a pub where Spennymoor's football team get changed before the games.
No way,
Yeah.
But you don't want to do that again.
No, definitely not. I thought I'd done alright even when we pulled up, but then even then I couldn't allow myself to think I've done it. I had to just think I'm not going to think that until he says. And then he went, congratulations, and started smiling.
When he says, do you want your trainer present? You say no.
Oh no, I said yeah.
Did you?
And then he just said, oh, he's there, and then just started talking.
All right. Luckily the window was open. I was listening. You're supposed to open the door so I can listen.
I doubly wouldn't have said said no, seeing as I know I'd passed.
I heard him say congratulations. He said it was a nice drive, didn't he?
Yeah, he did. Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, looks like he's made you feel comfortable, hasn't he?
Yeah, definitely. He's great. Put me at ease straight away. I wasn't sure whether to believe you when you said driving examiners are nice people.
Yeah, honestly. They really are. They want you to pass. It's just when you kind of drive that then. They're not nice people when you try to kill an examiner. You've done really well, because I remember your first lesson you were quite nervous, weren't you?
Oh yeah, really bad.
Yeah,
I almost felt sick before I got in the car in the
Did
first
you?
lesson, yeah.
You've done really well.
And you said I was like a wrestler gripping the steering wheel.
I should have kept his wallet. If he failed, I would have kept his wallet. The examiner left his phone case and his wallet in the car. So if he'd failed, I probably would have kept that. I'm joking. I wouldn't have.